Greetings to everyone. I am Srihit Sai and welcome to Geography project of class 8. I really hope that you learn something new in our presentation. Today we are going to learn about Incredible India. In the theme Modern India, we are going to learn about information technology in India, that is IT. What is IT? IT stands for Internet Technology. It involves of the use of computers to store, retrieve, transmit and manipulate data. IT is mostly used in business technologies. Many of the businesses rely on IT to help them be more productive. Thus, it benefits the companies with electronic storage, faster communication, and mainly protection of important information in supercomputers, more precisely, the documentation. Why is information technology important? Information technology is important as it benefits all the business companies, including small, big, or even multinational companies. It is also important as it establishes fast and secure way of communication with the modern world. Network, which is usually referred as internet and email, that is social networking, plays a vital role in an organization which is managed by IT. Now, we would really love to know what is the history of IT.
Hi friends, I'm Emmanuel of class 8H. Today, let's see how is IT developed in India. India's IT services industry was born in Mumbai 1967 with the creation of Tata Consultancy Services, who in 1977 partnered with Xerox which began India's export of IT services. The first software export SEEPZ, the precursor to the modern day. IT Park was established in Mumbai in 1973. More than 80% of the country's software exports was SEEPZ in 1980s. Within 90 days of its establishment, the task force produced an extensive background report on the state of technology in India and with 108 recommendations. Much of what it proposed was also consistent with the thinking of recommendations of international bodies like the World Trade Organization (WTO), International Telecommunications Union (ITU), and World Bank.
Now we'll be looking at main centers of IT in India. India has six main IT hubs. They are as follows: Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Pune, Delhi, and Chennai. Now we'll know more information about India's IT capital, Bangalore. India's IT hub, Bangalore. Bangalore is the IT capital of India. It is also known as Silicon Valley of India. It was set up by Ramakrishna Baliga. He was the first chairman and managing director of the Karnataka State Electronics Development Corporation. He was the first on to conceptualize the idea of electronic city. R.K. Baliga, with his power, bought a sum of 335 acres of land outside South Bangalore, which is now known as the IT hub of India. There are almost 250 headquarters of software companies here in Bangalore. India's biggest tech giants like Infosys, Wipro, and Hall are also located in Bangalore. This city attracts thousands of software engineers and IT specialists from all over India. Because of its role as the nation's leading information technology exporter, it is called as the IT capital of India. Indian technological organizations are headquartered in this city.
This is Trishit. I'll be telling you how IT development helps in increasing India's economy. India before and after IT development. Before IT development, India had a lot of unemployed population due to which India was not developing even it had good resources. After IT hubs in India, unemployment rate started to decrease gradually, which led to India's development. Economic growth. Due to IT, industrialization increased in India and many companies started in India which led to increase in job opportunities. As the number of companies and jobs are increasing day by day, our country's GDP rate has also started increasing. In this way, IT helped India develop its economy.
Now we will learn about present IT ministers in India. So, firstly,
The present IT Minister of our state, Telangana, is none other than Sri K.T. Ramarao. Sri K.T. Ramarao is the current IT Minister of the state. Now let's learn about reforms made by KTR in the field of IT. As the IT Minister of the state, KTR is credited with bringing massive investments to the state, apart from growing the startup ecosystem of the state. He is also responsible for various global companies setting up shop in Hyderabad, including the likes of Amazon and Uber. His brainchild T-Hub, a startup ecosystem, has been globally recognized over the past 4 years and led to giving Hyderabad a place in the global startup map. Next comes the Central IT Minister. Sri Ravi Shankar Prasad is our present Central IT Minister. Reforms made by him in the field of IT. He is leading the task of developing India into a global electronics manufacturing hub. India Post has emerged as leader in e-commerce, logistics, service providers, as well as vehicle for financial inclusion under his leadership. Thank you.